female right there.
Okay.
Wow. See a little girl. Thank you. Crabs.
Yeah, crab.
Welcome to today's episode of Rusty Duck Garage. Today, we travel to Newport, Oregon, to Yaquina Bay, where we take our little Alumaweld boat out with the family and try our luck at crabbing. It's the middle of November, and the weather couldn't be better. It's actually quite warm out.
Going out to set plots.
Crabs.
Yeah, crab. Absolutely beautiful morning down here in Newport, Oregon, Yaquina Bay. Sun's out. It's fairly warm. Got a lot of boats in the parking lot. That means that's a lot of boats out there, either in the ocean or here in the bay. The ocean is pretty flat out there today, so most any boat could really go out there. But tide will be high here at 12:30, which is about an hour away. So we got our little boat out there setting pots right now. I'll be going out shortly. We've got a couple nice boats coming in here. There's the Coast Guard station up there on the hill behind these two boats here in the bayfront over here in Newport. Say Yaquina Bay. And there's the NOAA Marine Science Station or lab. Only a guess, but I'd imagine those guys have been out there for a while. They're probably excited to come ashore. I know I sure would be. You hear the sea lions over there barking over there on that rocks. A bunch of them over there. There they are. They dropped the pots. We'll be going back to pick them up. There's Autumn and Jackson. Having a good time. Beautiful out here. November 21st, 2021. Oh yeah, praying mantis.
Papa?
Yeah, buddy. Wow,
Jackson, never mind.
pretty cool.
Let me see.
It's a cool spot. That one? Yeah. Jet drive though on that one, wasn't it?
No, it's the new one.
Oh, it's a new one?
Yeah. Just like
Here's that guy.
He's flying.
Yeah.
He was flying when he came in. So I take it there's no speed limit out there?
Out there now.
just in here once you get out of the green signs.
It's a 5 mile an hour no wake zone here.
In here, yeah. Oh my god, I thought the dog was jumping in.
That's another max.
Oh yeah.
Love that top.
Oh yeah. Spends a lot of time in the water.
Small, easy monthly payments.
Paul got autopilot on his boat. He can set a GPS route and just hit a clicker button, and he's in a remote that hangs around his neck.
You
So
heard
he
about
can
the
control,
Oh, yeah.
and he can just point and go.
Right. Got some colors. There's a nice one.
That one's a keeper.
There we go.
Right there. 1 o'clock. Oh, he's got 2.
We got a female or male?
He's a male.
All right.
Get these
job.
red rocks away from him before one of them cuts him. There you go.
There you go.
Look,
They're
that is
keep,
a big red rock.
keep him, ain't you?
Uh-huh.
Heck yeah.
He'll smash all the other ones in the.
Oh, really?
Yeah. There you go. See the,
We can put him in the cooler.
Massive.
oh yeah, he's way legal.
Let's see that bad boy.
Good job. Reverse. One Dungeness,
Looks like a keeper, huh?
possibly. We're checking.
Is it a male? Female? It's a male.
Male.
I haven't seen a single female.
No.
No.
No, he's kind of small.
You're not on him.
No, he's oh. Yeah, no,
Close, huh?
close.
That's where we got our biggest one, like Chris was saying, was right there. Show
Right
it.
here. We were up there on its own, where that seal's at, right there.
Oh, really?
You want to go with that, or you want to go out a little bit?
Go out. We had 3 Dungeness in that last one. This one's got a lot of them.
I might just take this one where we go with it. Just when we get it up, check it, and just drop it straight down, just further back from this one.
See what it looks like, yeah.
Just so we're not so close.
I mean, our depth is.
Nothing.
Oh,
Nothing?
Big. Oh, Dungeness, every single one of them. There are some big ones in there too.
That one in that back
That's a
corner's
female,
good.
first female, right there.
Okay.
Be a little girl.
Yeah.
All right, let's stay where we're at, Nick.
Yeah, I'm gonna just keep.
There's
our
another
position.
female.
Breeding ground.
Okay. Let's see. Measure him. Negative. You're a female, aren't you? No, male. Little one. There's our second female there. Come on, move your arm. Dang it. Close.
They're all close.
This one, are you male or female? You're male.
That's our keeper one there.
I hope so. It's psyched out by the rest of it. One keeper. Right there. You are too small and a male. That one. Too small. That one there is going to get chipped. This one looks halfway decent. Come on out. Oh, quit biting.
Come on out, buddy.
Male.
That looks decent.
It does, but negative.
Negative.
Very close. All right.
That looks like Hallward's boat.
Well, we had a pretty successful day of crabbing. We caught 7 legal male Dungeness crabs at the minimum of 5 3/4 inches across the back. And we also caught a half dozen or so large red rock crab that we kept. At first we weren't going to keep the red rocks, but we decided to go ahead. And boy, sure glad we did. The very large red rock crabs have quite a bit of meat in them and are very, very tasty. In the future, I think we'll continue to keep the red rocks, the large ones. Very nice crab. So we got them home and cooked the crab in a crab pot cooker. We also fried up some ling cod, some oysters, and some bluefin tuna for my dad's birthday. And just had us a really good seafood dinner for the whole family for my dad's birthday. And really enjoyed it. Can't wait till our next trip to the Oregon coast here and get some more crab, whatnot. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll catch you next time.
I'm joking.
There, bro.
What's sitting up there?
What happened?
Did you get that on film?
No, I just
I
missed it.
threw a french fry up. The bird missed it and landed on Kinder's chest. She was freaking out.
Oh.